everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We are going to make some breakfast casserole today. We're starting with 8 eggs that I've whisked, whatever. And then add 2 cups of milk. Hey, Shauna. Make sure to clean the paint off your face, girl. You look beautiful in turquoise, but I don't know. Hey, Donna. Hey, Nola. Oops, don't open that in. Then I'm going to just add a little bit of salt, pepper to taste. This is 8 eggs and 2 cups of milk. And in our casserole dish, I'm going to start off with, this is just a package of hash browns that I'd already heated the water. Hey, Barb. Excuse me. Then I'm going to just spread it out. And add the eggs. And you can also add green peppers and onions and pieces of bacon and all kinds of things to this, but this is going to be a pretty simple one. And then I'm going to add some sausage. This is going to be hot. Hey, Johnny. Oh, thank you, Rose. Thank you, Nola. Thank you, Barb. Yes, this is the video for our giveaway. I'm going to give 2 items away, and I'll use this video to run through the random picker, which is always fun. I'm going to add some hot sausage. I fried 2 packs. 1 pack was going to be for a breakfast casserole. The other pack I'm going to chop up finer. Hey, Faith. Thank you. Oops. Oh, good afternoon. And just chop this up a little finer because we're going over to the stove and make something else with this later. I'm going to top the casserole with cheese. And I had a little bit of extra cheese. So I'm going to just use it up. Might as well use both. Then before this goes in, I'm making a ham. I may chop a little bit of ham up in this. You bake it for 30 minutes. Hey, Shelly. You bake it for 30 minutes, and 30 to 40 minutes, and on 350. This is something real simple, and it freezes well. And this one here is going to go tomorrow to the guys at the trucking company. It's nice to make for. We made it a lot for around Easter for our church, to take to our church because they had sunrise service and we'd have this. Hey, Pat. Hey, Linda. Yeah, we did this for sunrise service at our church a lot. And all the ladies would decide which variety they were going to make. New Year's, it was always soup, so we'd have a big soup thing, and sunrise service, we'd have these, and a few of us would make different ones. Now I'm going to make what my husband and my father and the people that, when I worked at the nursing home, said was my specialty. Oh, great. It's great for a camping trip. And they freeze. You can freeze them. You can make them in the little quiche containers or muffin tins individually and freeze them and just pop them out. They're great for camping. They're great for all that. But I'm going to make my specialty now. I say this recipe here is the one, the reason my husband married me. This is a package of sausage. I cooked 2. No, that's Oscar Mayer. He only comes out for food. And the rest of the time he's asleep. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, that's Oscar Mayer. The sausage has been pre-fried. I'm going to add, this is how I do it. I know it's not fancy, but I add 2 handfuls of flour and fry up and get that nice and brown. I think I may need 3. Nice measuring system. That's my measuring system with this recipe. Does anybody know what I'm making? Hey, Susan. Hey, Carolyn. I'm making sausage gravy. And I just made a breakfast casserole that was nice. You could use it as a freezer meal for breakfast for those busy days. Fry that a little bit. And then I add a little pepper. And then I add in my milk. And my husband says I never make enough of this. No matter how much I make, it's never enough. And both of these are going to the guys at the trucking company tomorrow. Hey, Lori. Yeah, I measure like my grandma too. Sometimes I measure a lot, but some recipes I just don't. This is one I normally don't measure. Oh, by the way, if you don't like sausage, you can use hamburger. If you don't like hamburger, my mom even used tuna. And she also used dried beef in this recipe. Oh, Johnny, I knew you'd love this, my friend. Those military, a lot of the military guys like this. When I worked in the nursing home, the guys from World War II, they went nuts when I made this kind of stuff. Oh yeah, the chipped beef. Oh, the dried beef is really good. Haven't made that in a while. My dad loved it. He'd love it. He'd eat it over toast. He'd eat it over anything, really. He'd put it over whatever. A lot of people put some of the gravy over chicken, but I've never done that. Oh, I've went to people on my page's house and I've cooked for them. And my husband has made breakfast. My husband makes an awesome breakfast. I made sausage biscuits, or sausage gravy, and I made a breakfast casserole. You can actually put these in little muffin tins. This in little muffin tins and make it and freeze it. It's 8 eggs, 2 cups of milk, a package of hot sausage, and a package of cheese, but I had a little extra, so I added that in. And a package of hash browns. And I'm making a ham over here, and I'm going to chop up some ham on the top of that and put in that before it goes in the oven. And it goes in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes at 350. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good. We had steaks last week. They had grilled steaks out last week. But he asked me to fix something for the guys because he had 8 things break on his truck, and my favorite handsome diesel mechanic got him all fixed up. So we thought we'd take the guys breakfast in the morning. I call my husband and I get this strange voice on the phone, and I'm like, who's this? He goes, it's Tom. I just want to say hi. I said, oh, why don't you say it's my favorite handsome diesel mechanic? Yeah, I know. How many states and countries would I have to go to if I actually came and cooked for everybody on my page? That's my question. How many states would I have to be in? And countries? That's an interesting question. Because I know Nala wouldn't mind me coming cooking for her in the Netherlands. Johnny's in California. I know he wouldn't care. Oh yeah, I know that, but I wasn't saying that on my page, Johnny. I wasn't saying that on my page. We try to keep her a little clean on the page. You just want to cook this down until it gets nice and thick, because nothing like slop gravy. So, you know what slop gravy is? That's that stuff that it's so thin that it's just like pouring water on your biscuits or your toast. It's just not a good thing. Oh, Florida might be nice, especially in the wintertime. You guys camp, so I guess we could bring our camper down. We could park next to you. See, that's how that could roll. But our little camper would look silly next to your big, beautiful fifth wheel. We have a 23-foot pull behind. It looked like your fifth wheel had a baby. Okay, that's about right. See how it's getting thick? Nice and thick, because you don't want it really, really thin. And then well, this will be warmed up, so I don't want it too thick, because when they heat it up, it'll thicken up even more. You don't want it to look like paste. That's about that. Oh! 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 Hey guys, no. Ah. That's some good trained dog. Ah. Ouch, that hurt. Okay, everybody. I made sausage gravy and a breakfast casserole for the guys at the trucking company tomorrow. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining. And like, share, and comment, because this is our giveaway day. 2 things will be given away. Hold on. One of them is this right here, which it charges your cell phone when you're out and about if you have no power. And the next other giveaway is a set of scissors that I use every day on my life. Thank you, and have a good day. Keep on crafting. Bye.